Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Word, open File, choose Options, then proofing to reach Autocorrect quickly. Once there, click Autocorrect Options so you can see existing entries and the key checkbox replace text as you type. Make sure that box is enabled, otherwise none of this will work. You're preparing Word to intercept typing and replace mistakes automatically, which saves time and enforces consistent spelling. This first step sets the context. You need the panel open so you can add or edit replacement pairs immediately. Now you add actionable pairs. In Replace, type the typo or shortcut. In With, type the correct word, punctuation, or full phrase. Click Add to save each new pair. Select an existing entry and click Replace if you want to modify it. Use meaningful shortcuts like enter for your address or fix common transpositions such as te to the. Once done with several entries, make sure to scroll through the list to avoid duplicates and to keep replacements predictable so Word won't change words you intend to type. Finish by testing. Type a few of your new replacements in a document to confirm they fire as expected, then close Options to save. If Word replaces something you didn't want changed, press backspace immediately to undo, then remove or edit that specific autocorrect entry. If replacements behave erratically, make sure language settings match your document. If problems persist, reset the autocorrect list or run an office repair. This clears corrupted rules and restores normal behavior, which fixes most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.